let's look at this up move here. We have an up move on the price action, and we have an up move up to here on the CVD. Then we have a down move up to here, corresponding with this top. So let's draw this as a line here. Here we have, actually I should draw it as a trend line. We have this up to here. I just make a little gap. So we can divide this up move into two different parts. We have the up move where the CVD is also moving up, and we have the up move where the CVD is diverging and moving down. And then we have the down move, which is moving down. And that down move is essentially from here all the way down to here. So even though that's two, I use black for everything, sorry. It's like black. This is called convergence. When the price moves and the CVD moves together with price, that's a convergent move. And we have a down move on the CVD, but an up move on the price action, it's a divergence. And then it shifts into convergence to the downside again. So these shifts are really interesting points. And you can see that in this case, it started halfway through the up move, thereabouts, and then it just continued, and the price action was lagging behind, but eventually the bulls could not sustain the move, and we started to move down, and together everybody was in sync. The sellers were aggressive and they managed to push price down.